crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I have a treat for you. I have a free printable template for this 3D paper tiger in celebration of Lunar New Year 2022. So a link to a full color template will be available on my website, so I'm going to leave that in the video description. It is absolutely free, but if you would like to leave a donation, I would really appreciate the support as well. The link is paypal.me/JennyWChan. Thank you so much, and let's go watch that time lapse. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making that paper tiger. Again, this template was provided for you for free, but I would really appreciate a donation if you're able to give. It is paypal.me/JennyWChan, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!